With continuous, breakthrough-driving innovation, we help biopharmaceutical companies navigate through bottlenecks. We empower the biopharmaceutical industry to conquer challenges in such a rapid-changing world with our world-class key bioprocessing equipment and consumable solutions. We are BioLink, your reliable partner who creates value through innovation. With a strong local presence and global vision, we are keenly focused on the development and manufacturing of bioprocessing consumables and equipment throughout the industry chain, providing customers with high-quality products and responsive technical support. From single-use bioprocessing equipment and consumables to comprehensive chromatography resins, large-scale chromatography systems, filtration devices and consumables, we provide an all-encompassing portfolio of products and solutions that fully covers and even goes beyond customers' needs, and are certified by world-class quality management systems. Our R&D center in Suzhou and Digitization and Automation Center in Shanghai play their respective roles in driving independent innovation, allowing us to further improve and complement our upstream and downstream offerings. With our extensive technical expertise and ongoing investment in biopharmaceutical equipment and consumables, we count on our strong R&D and manufacturing capabilities and complete quality management systems to bring turnkey bioprocessing solutions that are intelligently made in China to worldwide customers. At BioLink, we have developed time-tested technologies and solutions which cover every stage, from upstream cell culture to downstream protein chromatography and filtration, to meet your standardized and customized process requirements from lab scale to manufacturer scale production. Our Validation and Analysis Center is operated and managed in accordance with CMA and CNAS systems, providing one-stop validation solutions for extractable and leachate studies, microbiology tests, and filter validation. At the R&D Center in Suzhou, we focus on developing innovative processes and new applications, and therefore the customers can fully benefit from what is offered by our bioprocessing solutions. Our high-quality innovative products and solutions have been adopted by a number of well-known biopharmaceutical companies for both development and production of biopharmaceuticals such as antibodies, vaccines, recombinant protein medicines, and cell and gene therapies. By putting quality at the core of what we do, we have gained reputation for our systematic, standardized and easy to validate product quality management systems and consistently high standards of quality. To ensure on-time delivery, we start from the upstream raw materials industry chain to build our own integrated supply system, so as to establish an efficient, safe, and competitive biopharmaceutical supply chain ecosystem. We will continue our focus on key bioprocessing equipment and consumables and develop professional, reliable, and responsive bioprocessing solutions that are intelligently made in China. To help advance biotechnologies in China and beyond, accelerating life-improving imaginations. In response to current and future challenges, we would like to be a close partner with you and link whatever possible to enable biotechnologies.